It's travel day! I'm so excited. I just have to do a couple last minute things. I obviously have not done my hair or makeup yet. Our bags are all somewhat packed and we're gonna get going soon. I love a travel day. So just do my makeup, but definitely one thing that I would say is a good idea to do every travel day, something I always do, is to get ready with my travel makeup to make sure that I have everything that's in my regular routine. And luckily everything was packed, but I did remember I wanted to throw in a couple minis for our park bag. So I was able to grab those, and I honestly don't know that I would have remembered them if I hadn't done this. So, all right. Hair's done, makeup's done, the boys are watching Cars, and gonna go make a little espresso with the mocha pot and relax before it's time to get on the road. Let's make some espresso. Here's the fit. I got little Air Maxes on. This is a little cup sheet outfit. My little Disney Mickey earrings and Mickey necklace on. I have a scarf I think I'm gonna take for on the plane just in case little man and I are chilly. Did my hair, my husband got me a Dyson Airwrap a couple years ago for my birthday and I love it. I can do my hair in like 10 minutes. This raincoat is from Amazon. My little satchel that fits everything. I'm ready. I can't wait to be there. And I did do my hair and everything tonight so that I could, one, it's just easier with how little one just having to be done already, but we have a dinner reservation tonight that I just want to look a little cute for, and I can throw on ears when we get there, and I am incredibly excited. So let's head to the airport. We just made it through security and we're gonna go and find our gate. And my favorite thing to do when I'm at the Pittsburgh airport is to stop at the Strip District Market and grab a chai tea. So hopefully that is still open. I know that they are building a new airport, so I'm just gonna wait for my parents and then we'll head on over. About this in other vlogs, but to me travel just tastes like chai lattes, and for as long as I can remember, when we fly out of Pittsburgh I always get one from here. The Strip Market, like if you're from Pittsburgh, the Strip District, so it has like La Prima coffee and it has a bunch of different little Pittsburgh things. It's just cute. So we are at our gate. I'm trying out our microphone just because I don't want to scream in the airport, but we're going to be landing a little almost around 6 o'clock. We actually have a dinner reservation at the Polynesian, and I'm so excited. It is my favorite thing to do on a travel day is to grab dinner at Kona Cafe and then grab Dole Whip and sit down outside of the patio in the back there and just listen. Sometimes they have a ukulele player and a little band that play, and it's just the most nice and easiest way to just kind of ease into a Disney trip, just because I don't know if you've ever done this before, but Disney trips can be quite hectic. But we're going to be boarding soon, and we're flying Southwest. I've never flown Southwest before, so we'll see how that goes. We just sat down at Kona Cafe in the Polynesian, and they actually sat us earlier than what our reservation was for. We checked in a little after 7 for our 7:30, and they just sat us a couple minutes ago, probably was like 10 minutes early. But I'm an allergy. I'll go ahead and show you the allergy-friendly menu. And yeah. I'm gonna order the glazed chicken wings as well as the sauteed red quinoa, and I'll show you guys pictures. One of the things I love that Disney does for any gluten allergy concerns is that you get your own allergy rolls, and they're marked, and it's just so nice because when you're going out and everybody's getting bread, you just kind of feel left out. So now you get your own bread and then your own butter, so there's no cross-contamination. I love it. Just also makes me feel safe and seen. Our chicken wings just came. These are so good.
You got a really nice table.
Our food just came out. I got the sauteed red quinoa. I've had it before and it is phenomenal, so I'm hoping it's great and good. But I'll put a little video up so you can see what it looks like. Still delicious. Finished up dinner at Kona Cafe, which was phenomenal. My dad had the Kona burger, said it was delicious, and my mom did the Asian marinated chicken. She said it was great. She said it was a very similar sauce to the glazed wings, but then we just stopped boutique, and I've been wanting these for years. I actually tried to make myself a pair that did not turn out well, but I'm so glad I finally have them, and they're adorable. And I think this will kind of conclude our travel day vlog. So I realized that I did not close out the vlog yesterday. We are now checked into Spring Hill Suites in Lake Buena Vista. But I hope that you enjoyed just a casual and easy travel day. I'm going to be posting a lot of fun Disney vlogs, so I hope that you like, subscribe, and follow along. See you in the next one.